As a chiropractor, a question that I get asked a lot is chiropractic care effective or good for pregnant moms? And then the next question usually is it safe for pregnant moms to get adjusted? And the answer to both of those questions is definitely yes. It is effective and safe for pregnant moms. And there's actually a specific chiropractic technique called the Webster technique that's designed for pregnant moms. And myself and the other doctors in our clinic are trained and certified in this specific technique. So the purpose of the Webster technique is that it's a specific chiropractic analysis and adjustment that's designed to relax and reduce stress on the pelvis, the sacrum, the uterus, as well as the surrounding muscles, ligaments, tendons, and then it optimizes the function of the nervous system in those same areas to allow the pregnant mom to have the best function throughout her pregnancy and birth. And then the result of that is typically moms report having more comfortable pregnancies and births associated with less pain, less sciatica, less overall discomfort. So if you look behind me, you can see a general diagram here of a pregnant uterus, and you can see all these surrounding structures in the sacrum, the round ligament, are what the Webster technique focuses on. So if you want to see an example of an adjustment, just stay tuned and we're going to show that right now. Okay, so now we're going to do a quick demonstration on how the Webster technique and adjustment actually goes and what that looks like. I've got Teresa here who has a baby on the way right now, so we're going to demonstrate that on her and show you what that looks like. So first things first is we want to make sure that it's comfortable for mom to lay on the table. So we have this pregnancy pillow that has a cutout right here to make it really comfortable for mom to lay face down on the table. So that's where we're going to start. Go right there. Okay, so now I'm just going to run through the adjustments, show you what that looks like. We do this to check the tension on the sacrum. On Teresa, it's tighter on this right side. So we're looking at adjusting this side over here on the sacrum. So that's what we're going to do first, real gentle adjustment right down here. Good. Good. Just like that. Okay. So now I'm going to have Teresa flip over on her back. Then the other main component that we check is what's called the round ligament, which is right in the front here. A lot of pregnant moms are very familiar with that ligament. So that's what we'll work on right now. So I'll help me find that. Good, right there. And what we do for this is just apply some really gentle pressure towards the shoulder on that side to help relax that ligament. Just like a little bit of a massage. And what I would normally do is hold this for about a minute or two or until I feel that ligament relax under my finger. Just like that. Good. Okay. And that's the gist of a Webster technique adjustment. If you or somebody that you know needs this technique, please click the link below and make an appointment and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.